How to log in to Danske Bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to Danske Bank online banking account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any website and click on the search bar and simply search for Danske Bank. And now here, once you search for it, simply click on the first link in the result. And here, once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the Danske online banking. And now here, if you want to log in to the Danske Bank account, here simply click on the login button which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And here, once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Now here, depending on the type of account you have, you can either select personal e-banking or business e-banking. And here also make sure that you select your country to get a correct login page. So here I'm going to simply select the country, and after that you'll be prompted to the login page. Now here you just have to click on the user ID and simply enter your user ID. And here once you're done entering the user ID, simply click on the passport tab and simply enter your password. And here, once you're done entering the password, you can just click on continue. And after that, you will be signed into your Danske Bank online banking account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.